Most teams reach for performance management software after one painful review cycle. Managers submitting ratings the night before the deadline, employees reading feedback they can't act on, HR spending 3 weeks chasing forms. So here are the 5 most well-documented benefits of fixing that structure with the right platform. Benefit number 1, continuous feedback that replaces the annual review. The research on annual reviews isn't kind. Gallup found only 14% of employees strongly agree theirs actually inspires improvement, and the core reason is simple. Feedback delayed by 12 months isn't actionable. Performance software shifts the cadence to weekly check-ins and regular one-on-ones, so feedback lands while it still matters. Benefit number 2, real alignment between individual and company goals. One of the most consistent findings in organizational research is the gap between company strategy and what people actually work on day to day, and the fix is mechanical. When goals cascade from company to department to team to individual with visible links, everyone can see how their work connects to the bigger direction. Platforms deliver this through cascading OKR frameworks and real-time progress dashboards. Benefit number 3, fairer, more consistent evaluations. Harvard Business Review research found that without structured calibration, managers show measurable rating bias by gender, race, and tenure. Because when every manager evaluates against their own private definition of good, ratings reflect similarity more than actual performance. Software reduces this with standardized templates, calibration workflows, and audit trails, so everyone is assessed against the same criteria in the same format, and managers can compare distributions using consistent data. Benefit number 4, higher retention and lower hiring costs. This is the clearest financial argument. SHRM estimates replacing one employee costs between 50 and 200% of their salary. So for a 200-person company with 20% turnover, that's millions a year, and much of it is avoidable. WorkHuman and SHRM found employees who feel regularly recognized are 45% less likely to leave within 2 years. Performance software builds that in through recognition inside check-in workflows, growth visibility from development plans, and coaching tools that surface disengagement before it becomes a resignation letter. Benefit number 5, a lot less HR admin. This one is operational, and it's often what matters most to the HR team building the case. Across the category, teams report 60 to 80% reductions in the time spent administering review cycles, which for a 500-person company running 2 cycles a year means several hundred hours redirected from reminder emails and form collection to actual coaching. If you want to see which platforms actually deliver on these benefits, we've got a fully evaluated breakdown linked in the description at topsoftware.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest HR software guides. Drop a comment. Which of these benefits is the one your team needs most? See you in the next one.